Hi there. Uh. Uh. Okay. This is about the sound. We can spell this in a variety of ways. You could spell it E-R. For example, her, herb, heard, word, we were, per, lantern, okay, E-R. You could spell it E-A-R, earn, early, earth, herd, learn, pearl. Yeah, pearl as you'd find in an oyster. We could spell this word, this sound, I-R. Serve, were, yeah, the same as we were, but a different spelling. Stir, bird, skirt, shirt, firm. We can spell the sound O-R. Word, world, work, worse, worst. Or we can spell the sound U-R. Hurt, turn, urgent, furniture, burglar, purr, surplus, burn. So there you go. You have a big variety of spellings. E-R, E-A-R, I-R, O-R, U-R. You need to learn the pronunciation of your words. So, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video explaining how to put your mouth to make the sound. Bye for now.